Hi guys, Jeff here from TAP. Just want to update you on a repair solution that's been updated. So with our repair solutions, we've been logging them up there for nearly 18 years now, so some of them get updated every now and again. In this particular case, we've got these VW Golf T-bar issues, and it's coming up with a fault code for the T-bar switch selector. So it's coming up with a warning about putting the car into park or something along those sort of lines, and it comes up with a B116229 switch for selector locked in park implausible signal. So there's a couple of different terminologies that comes out with it, but in this particular case, when we first put this case up, and it was actually from my own workshop, it was a reinstall or refit the entire T-bar unit. So the pictures we can put on there, but it's the whole unit that gets replaced. And that was a very expensive repair for what actually turned out to be just a micro switch. So VW and Audi, etc., the VAG group, came up with a repair kit for that particular repair, and it now suits a whole range of different vehicles. So again, this particular repair solution has been updated by Brendan, fantastic, and lists all the makes and models where that repair kit will actually fit into the vehicle. And he's also listed the part numbers of the two repair kits. So depending on what T-bar unit is in the car, a white one or a black one, basically, it has two different part numbers and a very fraction of the cost and a much easier job to do. So don't be caught with that particular one. It's a fairly common one. We've got a couple of repair solutions on the site in regards to it, but it's good that Brendan's actually gone through and listed all the makes and models that repair kit will fit on the VAGCOM, be it Audi or VW or even Skoda vehicles. So certainly one to keep an eye on. If you're a TAP member, make sure you're consulting the repair solutions. Go in there, have a look. These are the sorts of things that are going to save you hours and hours of grief and pain if you don't know the shortcuts or what other people have experienced. Exactly the reason we put them up there. So again, make sure you're utilising it. If you're looking for something in particular, use Tina, the research assistant. Just tell her what you're looking for. Let her do the searching of the website for you. If you're not a member and you'd like to access all this information for a small cost, basically, to access this information and Tina, just go to tap.net.au and click up on the free 7-day free trial so you can give it a try yourself and see whether it will certainly help you on a daily basis in your workshop. See you next time.